The benefits of using Chat GPT. Chat GPT is a special computer program that can talk and have conversations with you, just like a friend. It's really cool because it can understand what you say and give you answers and information. One of the great things about Chat GPT is that you can ask it all sorts of questions. If you want to know about animals, movies, or even how things work, Chat GPT can help you find the answers. It's like having a smart friend who knows a lot of things. Another benefit is that Chat GPT can be a fun companion. You can tell it jokes or riddles, and it will try to make you laugh with its responses. It's like having a buddy to talk and have fun with, even when your real friends might not be around. Chat GPT is also a great learning tool. You can use it to practice reading and writing, as you type your questions and read the answers it gives you. It can help you discover new things and expand your knowledge about the world. When you use Chat GPT, you can also develop important communication skills. You can learn how to ask questions clearly, be patient while waiting for a response, and even practice being polite by saying, please, and thank you. Overall, using Chat GPT can be a fun and educational experience. It's like having a smart, funny, and helpful friend who is always there to talk, answer your questions, and make you smile. Want to learn more about using Chat GPT? Sign up for our online course. And don't forget to click the subscribe button on our YouTube channel to see more videos by VB3 Ink.